Hi guys, today I will show you how to make these paper bags. So this is of smaller size as you can see, and this is of bigger size, these twos. So let's see how to make this. The smaller one I have made with 15 by 15 centimeters sheet, square sheet. This is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and the bigger one is of 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters sheet size, square sheet size. So sheet size is of your choice, and you can make the bigger or smaller as you wish. So let's see how to make this. So for this I am taking a square sheet 15 by 15 centimeters. Just do like this, hold it like this, press it nicely and smoothly, turn it like this and do the same thing here. Press it smoothly and nicely like this. The folding here is very important, because the handbags, when you are looking at it, the foldings are really very important, otherwise it will not make the proper handbag. So next thing is just fold it like this, and with this part only do this. Press it nicely and smoothly. Switch to the next side, put it towards you. And do next also, just do it like this. It's done. Just make sure to fold all the sides again nicely. It's done like this, and make this kind of a shape here. You don't need to take any sizes, just a small term here. And then with this part do it like this, and take the next part, the same thing here also, do it like this. You see, you can mark with pencil or a pen, it's up to you, these triangles, the outer ones. I can show you closely these 2 points. So just this one and this one, put it inside like this, fold it nicely, take the other part, the same thing till that dot, just put it nicely like this. Just switch it like this, and here take one part like this, the other part also the same thing like this, and it's done. See this curved line and this curved line, just put it like this. And here also the same thing. Just put it like this and just press it nicely, because the foldings are really very important in it. And done. Just open the whole thing, and this line and that line, fold it nicely, from top to bottom like this. Fold this, and now this part is important because the folding will be done now and our handbag will be made now. So with this and this part, it should come like this, see? So, and the inside part you can glue this part, otherwise it will not go here and there and it will be fixed handbag. So it's good if you just glue it. Just put your hand here, a finger will be fine, and just glue it. Some glue here also, it will paste nicely. Just put inside it. Yeah, it's going in. So see, as you can see, it's looking nice here and nice here, the lines. The same thing here also. What we did there, we have to do here. Just fold it inside this part, take this part in like this, and the same thing we can put glue. It will stick well with each other. So you can do like this, just stick with glue, just press it inside it. From all the sides, just press it. That's it, and our handbag is done. To make it even better, we can put these things, and it's up to you. You can choose any color to make it, pink or whatever color of your choice, and you can personalize your handbags also. You can write name or you can write Gap or anything of your choice. So let's make this part also. So to make this part, I will take a very thin line, not very thick. 0.5 centimeters is okay for it. At one side, 0.5 centimeters is okay. So mark with the pencil. I can mark here, that's fine. And here also mark like this. And we can take 10 centimeters. Actually 11 centimeters is okay. Yeah. Just make straight lines. Just cut through it, the whole thing. We have to cut another line because we need 2 handles for this. So just cut it. nicely. The cutting part is also done. The glue part is left now. Just put little bit glue on the tips of this and put it inside of it like this, and take another tip to your hand and just put it under this like this. Next also I can do like that, the same thing. Put some glue on the tips and just take this handbag. Oh, sorry. Just put it like this. And here also I have to put some glue. Put it inside it to stick it. It's not sticky. It's very thin. Maybe that's why. So done. Our handbag is ready and we can go for shopping now. So you can write anything you want to write on this, or you can make a pattern or anything you want to. So today I have made these to show you, and the bigger ones are these ones. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.